bites the golden sun twice. I haven't done a gluten-free thing in like forever. So Larbars, a really great brand. I love them. They're gluten-free, they're vegan, they're just really tasty, and I'm having some of their, I'm trying this for the first time. I usually just devour their, I dropped them! Satay. I normally have the breakfast bars, but right now I'm having the bites, and it's really tasty. So hungry, I couldn't wait till dinner. I was like, nope, can't do this. So eating some right now. That's really good, guys. Oh my gosh, so happy. So gluten-free, vegan, dairy-free, non-GMO, only made with 7 ingredients. It's really good. Try some. I'm just gonna sit here eating now. That's what's gonna happen.